Hello, we're going to be testing out baby bullet guns as Kenny's. This is actually found on eBay, was it?
No.
What?
Airsoft.
Airsoft?
UK.
Airsoft UK. But we're going to be shooting it in anyways.
It's my lovely friend Michael.
We're going to be shooting it at me in
and
the
it's
back.
not fake if you look.
It's not fake.
Baby
It's
bullets.
actually got baby bullets in that.
And it's really powerful.
Very powerful. Just shoot it at the wall.
No?
Just shoot at the wall.
Okay.
Just. You ready?
Well, it's gotta be.
Right, big one. No, not yet. Kenny, not yet. Kenny, not yet.
No, but I won't. I'm not
Just-
gonna. I'm just showing you.
Shoot
But
it.
it is very powerful, that's why he's scared. But, right, anyways, I'm just gonna show you. I just want to see if my friends are hard or soft. Right, no, right.
Not me, because I'm.
Right, let's go. You'll see the video from you.
Go in there. Go like in the passage.
Right, I'm going in the passage so it doesn't hurt as much because Michael's a softie sometimes. Right.
And I'm gonna shoot you.
Right, but you don't jump back because it'll get the laptop right.
Right. Okay. This is
Okay.
gonna make Kenny do, please. Kenny, don't actually. He will do well. Yes.
Do not shoot, it never does.
No. Right. This is gonna. No, I'll tell you why. Right. Hit my like. I don't know. Hit. No, not. Where are you gonna shoot? Let's look at the mark. Look at the mark. Yes.
Why did it hit you? Michael.
If it can actually see, please let me. Can I see it there? Oh! I think I'm bleeding. Oh! It's coming out of my blood. Oh! I'm going to show you that.
Wait, don't go, let go the gun, let go the gun.
You can actually see there. That's where it's hidden. In one hidden
This
in the
is the
back.
power of this gun.
That's the
Please
power.
don't ever judge me.
Please do not do it again. Don't talk about it again. Bye bye now.